I'm about to get to it. Hello, my chat partners. Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Dionne. Please subscribe to my channel, and to my returning chat partners, I really appreciate you guys' support. Today's video is going to be vlog style, and it includes random days in my life during my weight loss journey. This video will not have a lot of talking, so it's pretty much an ASMR video. And I wanted to bring you guys along just to show you all some simple days in my life. Things that I do while I'm on my weight loss journey as far as cooking, exercising, and just everyday life. I hope you all enjoy. Okay, everyone, this portion of the video, I will be making some salmon cakes. Guys, I recently got some blood work done, and I also got tested for allergies as far as tuna and salmon. And thank goodness I'm not allergic to tuna or salmon. The reason why I got an allergy test for salmon and tuna is for my new lifestyle change. And it is something that I wanted to add into my everyday eating while I focus on living better, eating better, and on my weight loss journey. I am someone that is allergic to shellfish, so I just wanted to make sure that I can eat salmon and tuna because I know they are both good with omega-3, and that's something that I feel my body needs. So yeah, guys, so this is my first time making salmon cakes in over 20 years. the 13 or the 12. I'm trying to 11, 10. I'm gonna take this out. And get this to Curtis. Smoking. Even if I do got onions, I still wanna change that too. Give it a little spice. Not too much though. Salt. Okay guys, so I'm getting ready to go live and do a workout, and I just wanted to show you all what I brought outside with me for my workout. I brought out some resistant bands, 2 5-pound weights, 2 jump ropes, 2 water bottles, 2 power aids, tripod, my iPad, my headphones, my Fitbit, a bat, towel, and my waist trainer. Okay, beautiful people, we have come to the end of this video. I hope you all enjoyed this vlog style days of my life video during my weight loss journey, ASMR. Thank you all so much for watching. I'm wishing you all out there peace of mind, because what? A peace of mind is one of the greatest things in the world. Always remember that you guys are great. And as always, take care, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye, guys.